Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can fix Facebook login errors step by step. So feel free to watch the video to the end and do not miss any steps or it might not work. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First of all, let me tell you why this error might occur. It will be either because of your account problem, which you'll have to hit up Facebook for, or it's going to be your mobile application. So I'm going to be teaching you the solution. So first of all, go ahead and open your setting. Finally, once you have done that, scroll down all the way to apps and notifications. And finally, once you have done that, click on see all 68 apps, or you might have more apps. So scroll down all the way until you find Facebook and go ahead and open it. Once you have found Facebook, you can go ahead and uninstall it and then reinstall it, but I'm gonna do something else. Go ahead and open your storage and cache, and then click on the right trash button, which is clear cache. It is basically going to delete all the temporary files that Facebook no longer requires to use, and then go ahead and click on clear storage. It will basically delete your account settings and other stuff permanently, and you can still have it back. It's not going to be a big deal. So once you have done that, go ahead and try logging back into your Facebook account and you should be in. If you're not in, however, try uninstalling, installing, and then restart your mobile device. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.